In this video, we're going to learn classes and IDs. Let's create a new file called classes and IDs.html, and let's import the content from the internal CSS file. By the way, we're going to keep using the internal CSS for the rest of the CSS chapter, just for simplicity reasons. Okay, let's add a third paragraph. Okay, earlier we have styled all paragraphs using the P letter. Now we want to try something new. We want to style only the first paragraph. There is a way to do that is by using the ID concept. So inside the open tag of paragraph, we're going to give it an attribute ID, and we're going to call it the side, for instance. Okay, and rather than using the P letter, we're going to use a number sign followed by the ID name, and now you can see that only the first paragraph is styled using this styling. Okay, now if you want to style both the second and the third paragraph with a blue color, for instance, we can still use an ID for each paragraph. By the way, you can use one ID for one HTML element. You can't have two elements with the same ID. Okay, so there is another way to do this. It's by using the class concept. So the way to do that is by giving both paragraphs the same class name, for instance blue, and then we're going to style the class with a blue color. So the way to style classes is by using the dot followed by the class name. Okay, and then now we can set the color to blue, and you can see that both paragraphs now are blue. Okay, so again, IDs are used to style one single element that can have one ID, and classes, they can be used to style many elements belonging to the same class.